Hello students, I'm Ajaypal sir from Vivekananda School, Bani. Now the next topic of class 12th physics, equipotential surface. From the word equipotential means to say that equal potential. Okay, it is that surface at every point of which electric potential is same. Okay, mean to say that this is charge, around their charge electric field is present. If we take out a surface around a charge, on this surface there is equal potential. Okay, so this is known as equipotential. We know that WAB is equal to VB minus VA. VB minus VA mean to say that here the VA, here the VB. Okay, VA is equal a point on this surface where we find out the electric potential, and VB is second point on the surface. Okay, VA is equal to VB because we know that in equipotential surface there is equal potential. VA का potential और VB का potential same होगा ना. If point A and B lie on equipotential surface, एक ऐसा surface जिसके अंदर potential same है उसको equipotential surface बोलते हैं. इसके अंदर VB is equal to VA होगा और जो वर्क डन होगा वो जीरो आएगा, क्योंकि कोई आपको वर्क ही नहीं करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि हर जगह पे potential same है. Hence no work is done in moving the test charge from one point of to the another point in equipotential. Okay, कोई वर्क नहीं होता अगर आप equipotential surface के अंदर कोई भी चार्ज मूव करते हो. Mean to say that there is no work is said to be done. Okay, because there is a same potential. Now the next dl is small distance in equipotential surface. Okay, we take equipotential surface in which we take a small distance from where we move a test charge. Okay, mean to say that is a distance from where we move a test charge from one point to another. Okay, this is the dl. In dl we move a test charge. Okay, from A point to B point. dl is small distance in equipotential surface. dw, you know about the work done, electric field intensity multiply distance. Here the E multiply dl. Here the E dl cos theta, because the angle between the E and D is cos theta. Okay, so this is 0. Why this is 0? Because you know that in dl and cos theta angle is 90 degree. Okay, cos theta, you know that cos 90 degree is equal to 0. That is E perpendicular dl. Okay, इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि जो इलेक्ट्रिक इंटेंसिटी होगी वो क्या होगी, परपेंडिकुलर होगी ये डीएल के. कहने का मतलब है कि डीएल डिस्टेंस इधर को आप ले रहे हो, जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइंस होंगी वो सारी की सारी लाइंस इधर को होंगी, तो ये दोनों आपस में परपेंडिकुलर आएंगे. इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस के अंदर हमेशा इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड और जो लेंथ होती है वो परपेंडिकुलर होती है. ओके, हमेशा जीरो आता है. क्यों जीरो आता है? क्योंकि अभी तो हमने बोला था कि इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस के अंदर वर्क जीरो आएगा. वर्क कब जीरो आता है? जब कोस 90 डिग्री का होता है. तो ये फार्मूला है, इस फार्मूले को कोस थीटा में चेंज किया. कोस थीटा 90 पुट करेंगे ना, क्योंकि वर्क आपने जीरो करना, तो जीरो वर्क होगा. जब कोस 90 होगा तो ई और डीएल दोनों होंगे वो परपेंडिकुलर होंगे. Thus for any charge equipotential surface through a point is normal to electric field. Okay, ये समझ आ गया. किसी भी चार्ज के लिए equipotential surface through a point is normal to electric field. Okay, जो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड होगी वो हमेशा परपेंडिकुलर होगी डिस्टेंस के सरफेस के. नेक्स्ट, here the equipotential surface. For a single positive charge, you know that in a single positive charge electric field lines are directly outward. Okay, the all line are outward, so this is the equipotential surface, first equipotential surface, and this is second equipotential surface. Okay, the both are the equipotential surface because at equipotential surface there is equal potential. In uniform electric field this is uniform electric field. In uniform electric field this is equipotential surface. Here the first equipotential surface and here the second equipotential surface. Okay, both are the equipotential surface in uniform electric field. Now next, in electric dipole, you know about the dipole, positive or negative charge separation between a small distance. You know that from the positive charge electric fields are directly outward, and in negative charge there is inward. Okay, and this is the equipotential surface. Equipotential surface, okay, these are the equipotential surface around a electric dipole. Okay, same as it is when two charge positive. Okay, when both two charges positive, it is not electric dipole. Okay, because same charge is present around a small separation. Okay, by a small separation. Here the equipotential surfaces. Equipotential surfaces are always present in electric field lines. Okay, these are the four equipotential surfaces. Now the next is the important properties of the equipotential surface. No work is done in moving a test charge in equipotential surface. कोई वर्क नहीं होगा अगर आप equipotential surface के अंदर test charge को move करोगे. इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस, वो हमने अभी प्रूव कर दिया. इसके अंदर डी जो डी डब्ल्यू होगा ईडीएल होगा, ईडीएल को हटाओगे कोस्ट आएगा. कोस्ट आपको 90 पुट करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि वर्क आपको जीरो करना है, तो जीरो तभी होगा जब कोस्ट 90 होगा. तो ये दोनों आपस में एक दूसरे के परपेंडिकुलर आ जाएंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट, नो टू इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस इंटरसेक्ट ईच अदर. जैसे कोई भी इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड लाइन से इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करती, इसी तरीके इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस भी कभी एक दूसरे के साथ इंटरसेक्ट नहीं करेगा. इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस स्ट्रॉन्ग नियर ए चार्ज एंड वीक अवे फ्रॉम द चार्ज. जैसे जैसे चार्ज के पास होगा इक्विपोटेंशियल सरफेस वो स्ट्रॉन्ग होगा, जैसे जैसे दूर होगा वो वीक होगा. ओके, now next, relation between the electric intensity and electric potential. Okay, now the next topic is we find out the relation between electric intensity, mean to say that E, and electric potential V. What is the relation between E and V? Okay, now we have the three equipotential surface A, B, C. Okay, here a test charge is placed at one equipotential surface. We move this test charge from one equipotential surface to another equipotential surface, and the distance between the two equipotential surfaces is dr. Okay, the test charge is moving in this line. Okay, this is the direction of electric field. This is electric field, this is equipotential surface, and the direction of the moving of test charge and electric potential is theta. Okay, here the point P. dV is the potential difference between the two equipotential surface A and B, because they are the two different equipotential surface though, so dV is a potential difference, but in one equipotential surface there is no potential difference. Now the positive test charge move through a distance dr from one equipotential surface to another equipotential. Okay, here the positive charge move from one equipotential surface to another. Okay, E at point P is perpendicular to equipotential surface. Okay, you know that E is always perpendicular to equipotential surface. This is E and this is always perpendicular to equipotential, because we in previous article we proved this. Okay, E is always perpendicular to equipotential surface expression. Thus work done by electric field on test charge. Okay, we have the formula for the find out the work done by electric field on a test charge. dW is equal to minus QdV. Here the minus, why? Because when we move a test charge from in the direction of electric field, so it is negative. Okay, this is decrease in direction, decrease in the direction of electric field. When we come in the direction of electric field, equipotential surface is coming in direction of electric field, the always is negative. Okay, dW is equal to Q into dV. This is the formula of work done. Now the another formula of work done is F into dr and F into ds. Okay, in 9th class you explain about that formula. Okay, we have the formula of F is equal to Q into E. In first A we have explained that F is equal to Q into E, Q into A into dr. Okay, here the Q into E dr, this is the scalar quantity when it change into a vector. Here this is vector, when we change into scalar the cos theta is come out. Okay, Q E dr cos theta. Compare equation first and second. The both equation of the dW, here the dW is minus Q dV, here the dW is Q E into dr cos theta. Okay, compare equation 1 and second. Here the minus Q dV is equal to Q E dr cos theta. Okay, Q is cancel out with Q. Okay, E cos theta is equal to minus dV by dr. Okay, this is the relation. When we this neglect this cos theta, then here the ES. Okay, ES is the direction of the surface, that is S the side, and when we ES, this is the axis. Okay, ES is the axis. ES is equal to minus curly V by curly R. This is the curly. Okay, curly. Okay, it implies that in Ex, when the axis is x minus curly v by में curly x, in y direction minus curly v by में curly y, and Ez is minus curly v by में curly. This curly is come out when we neglect this cos theta and change into Es, okay, in the axis. Potential gradient, this is known as potential gradient. And what is potential gradient? Magnitude of electric field is given by, this is electric field, magnitude of this electric field is given by change in magnitude of the potential, okay, change in potential change हो रहा है. The definition of electric field, magnitude of electric field is given by change in magnitude of electric potential per unit displacement, okay, change in magnitude of potential per unit displacement normal to equipotential surface at that point. This is called potential gradient. Simple potential gradient is changing of electric potential with respect to displacement, with respect to distance, okay. E is equal to minus dv by dr is equal to potential gradient, okay. This is today's topic. I hope you will understand these topics, okay. Take care, stay home, stay by.